Is your 2015-2022 Subaru Legacy key fob not working from as far away or at all? A dead battery is the most common cause. These models use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You can find replacements at most auto parts stores, online retailers, or even some drugstores for around $5. To replace it, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Start by locating the small notch on the side of the fob. Gently pry it open. Note the orientation of the old battery, typically positive side up. Remove the old battery. Insert the new CR232 with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob back together. Test the buttons to ensure it's working. Always work in a dry area to prevent moisture damage and avoid short-circuiting the battery during replacement. If your fob has a physical keyblade, make sure not to lose it during disassembly. If you encounter issues, double-check the battery orientation. DIY replacements can save you $50 to $75 compared to dealership costs. While current fobs use replaceable batteries, the trend is moving towards rechargeable fobs in newer models. As of 2025, some aftermarket programmable fobs are available for older models. Proper disposal of the old CR232 battery is important due to environmental regulations. Recycle your old batteries.